To make mushroom shezwan crispy fried roll, here we needed bread slices, freshly breadcrumbs I have prepared here, mushroom, oyster mushroom, shezwan sauce, mayonnaise, ketchup I have chopped here, some carrot and cabbage, and then I will chop some mushroom here. Finally chopping mushroom like this. Chopped ingredients putting in a bowl. Here I am adding half a teaspoon of shezwan chutney, shezwan sauce here. Then adding tomato ketchup, half a teaspoon. Mayonnaise, 1 teaspoonful. Mixing those ingredients. Adding chopped cheese into bowl and mixing whole this cheese. Then I'm adding oregano, sprinkling some oregano. It will be very tasty, friends. Then mix it all over, all those ingredients. Adding bread here. Adding a half a teaspoon of corn flour. 1 teaspoonful maida for binding. 1 teaspoon of full water. Then mix it full and make a ball, a round shape. For binding I have added 1 teaspoon of full of maida and some 2 spoon of water, and we'll mix it this. Adding some oregano for binding. Finally binding has been done. Friends, you can see what I do is apply some water on hands, make a roll shape here like this, fingers, and dip into celery. Finally go for breadcrumbs coating. Same procedure will make at least 5 to 10 pieces over here. Finally I have coated like this. What we do is each pieces I'll pick from here. We'll just fry it in a pan. You can see, friends. Fry it in medium flame, not in a high flame. Each fingers will keep it away. We'll fry it all through. Make sure oil temperature should be in a medium flame, not in high flame. Finally, once it turns in brown color, you can see over here, it changes the color. After that, pick up a finger, and finally, time for serving. Finally, once it turns in brown color, you can see over here, it changes the color. After that, pick up a finger, and finally, time for serving. Finally, mushroom shezwan cheesy crispy fingers is now ready. At last, add some oregano, sprinkle some oregano. Wow, looks yummy and it's like very crispy and tasty. I'll show you. Enjoy with mayonnaise or ketchup.